In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project using Asana. Asana is a versatile project management tool that helps teams stay organized and efficient. Whether you're managing a small project or coordinating with a larger team, creating a project in Asana is the first step towards better collaboration. Let's begin by navigating to the Asana homepage. Once there, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. This is the hub of all your projects, tasks, and team collaborations. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your projects. Now, with your dashboard in view, we can start creating your project. You'll want to direct your attention to the Projects tab. This is where all the magic happens. Look for a plus icon typically located near the top of this tab. Clicking on the plus icon is your gateway to starting something new and exciting. Once you've clicked it, you'll see an option labeled New Project. Go ahead and click on this to move forward. Next, you'll be presented with several choices on how you'd like to set up your project. Select the Template option. Using a template can save you time because it provides a preset structure based on best practices, perfect if you need to hit the ground running or aren't quite sure how to start. After you've selected the template that fits your needs, click on the Use Template button. On the next screen, you'll see a Next button. Click this to proceed to finalizing the setup of your project. This is where all your choices up to this point come together, and it's time to bring your project to life. Simply click the Create Project button, and voila, your project is now officially set up and ready for tasks to be added. Speaking of tasks, let's add one now to your newly created project. You'll notice a plus icon that allows you to add tasks within the project view. Click this icon and you'll have an empty task ready to be named. When naming your task, choose something descriptive that aligns with the project's goals or deliverables. This will help anyone involved in the project easily understand what's needed. Once you've named your task, the final step is quite simple. Click away from the task name field to save it. This can be done by clicking anywhere else on the screen. Congratulations, you've created a task in your Asana project and it's ready for action. By following these steps, you've not only created a structured space for your project, but have also taken meaningful strides toward organized collaboration. Keep exploring Asana's features to optimize your workflow further. Thanks for following along and happy project managing.